Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about clone stamp tool with an example in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Using this single tool we can do many steps. I can't take the full use of this tool in this video because it's not a normal tool, so I will take the basic of this tool. Let's start. Clone stamp tool is used for visual effects like VFX Paint and Stereoscopic Paint. VFX Paint means character removal, rope removal. These kind of works are done in VFX Paint. Stereoscopic Paint means we will create a Z depth for a character or anything in the scene, like converting 2D movies to 3D movies.
Let's open Photoshop 2021. I am not going to create a new document because if you create a new document and place the image which you're going to edit, the image will lose its quality because the image which you have will be in different size and the document which you created will be in different size. So always when you edit an image like color correction etc., give open and select the image. Now the image won't lose its quality. Let's take this image, press Ctrl plus 0 in the keyboard. It will fit to screen. Press S in the keyboard, shortcut for clone stamp tool. And this is the clone stamp tool settings. We have lots of settings like we have clone source. This one we use for visual effects. Let me explain you later about that section. Now let's see the main settings like difference between this opacity and this one. In menu section it's for brush opacity and in layer section it's for layer opacity. For example, create a new layer. Let's use this brush and draw a stroke now. Now let me keep the opacity to 40% and draw a stroke again. You can see the difference. Now let me select the layer which we drew the brush stroke. Let's reduce the opacity of the layer. You can see that those two brush strokes being reduced. This is the difference of two opacity section in the software. Let me delete the layer and create a new layer and let's jump into our today's topic, clone stamp tool. What we are going to do in this image? Everything is fine, but in the helmet, these two ISA mark and a screw is distracting our eyes. So I am going to remove that.
Always while editing or creating something, create a new layer and rename it. Let me name the image layer as source and the new layer as work. Now we have to make that place like no one should not know that something was there before.
So let's pick the source nearby and let's paint in the new layer. Select the source image and press Alt in the keyboard to pick the nearby source from the source image. After that, select the work layer and paint as I do.
To see the difference, we can easily point out that something was edited in the image. Because the source area which we choose is wrong.
So let's choose nearby area and let's make the brush size small. Now pick the source pressing Alt and click the source you need now.
Finally, we removed what we want to remove in the image. This is how we remove something in the image with solid color background. Let's save the image as JPEG. Let me show you. Have a look.
This is the before and after you can see there. And this is all about basics of clone stamp tool.
As I said, I can't take everything in a single video. So let's see more about clone stamp tool with some other example in an upcoming video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you.